In this quick video guide, I want to show you something that can be useful. Well, at least in my country, which is Italy, but you can test it also in your country. I don't think it's available everywhere, but it works in many countries. Now, this is thanks to Google Maps. And basically, if you want to do like a refill, if you want to put some gas in your car, you want to search for a gas station, Google Maps is really handy and it's really helpful because it's going to show you also the prices. So if I do a Google Maps search in my area, in my city, so if I go to Google Maps here, just I'm gonna select the first result here. So first of all, I just made a search in any search engine, type in Google Maps, and then I will click here and enter Google Maps. And let's say that I want to concentrate on one area. I will start to zoom in and I will search in a defined area. Now you can do this in your laptop, in your desktop, so in your PC, but you can also use your smartphone. So right now I'm using both, and the internet connection it's a little bit slow, but just to show you how it works, it's going to be really, really easy. Now, if you are here on your smartphone, you can, well, you can see this is also in Italian, but if you enter Google Maps from your smartphone, on the top you have these buttons. So if you scroll these buttons, you should find the gas tank icon right here. So all you need to do is just select that, and it's going to show you the various results. You can see the prices there, so I can check where the price is cheaper. I can decide the gas tank, the gas station, and that I want to go to. So it's really easy. Essentially, just enter Google Maps from your icon here, and that's it. That's the only thing you need to do. Just select the gas station. Now you can see here in your PC or tablet and other device, you can search for, and if you don't find it here on the top, you can just type some keywords like gas, or you can type gas station and just wait for the results that should appear certain moment. And again, you can decide an area here, so you can see the various gas station with the little prices here. Well, not everyone is showing the prices, but most of them. So that's it. This is a really quick video guide. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please subscribe to the channel and stay updated with for other courses and guides that we publish. And if you want to support us, please join the channel as a supporter. Thanks for watching. See you in the next.